Massage gun cannot start. How to fix?
1. Battery is completely drained. Cause: the battery voltage drops below the startup threshold after being unused for a long time. The charging cable charger fails to supply power properly. Solution: use the original charger and cable. Connect to a stable power outlet. Charge continuously for more than 30 minutes and then try to turn it on. Some models require charging to activate when the battery is low. Check if the charging port is loose and ensure a secure connection when plugging in. 2. Poor contact of charging port. Cause dust or oxidation in the charging port. Internal wire breakage of the charging cable. Loose solder joint between the charging port and the main body. Solution: dip a cotton swab in a small amount of anhydrous alcohol. Gently wipe the metal contacts of the charging port to remove dust and oxide. Test with other confirmed functional chargers and cables to rule out accessory faults. 3. Power button malfunction or jamming. Cause the button is stuck by foreign objects. The internal spring of the button fails. The connecting cable between the button and the main board is loose. Solution: check for dust, hair, or other debris around the button. Clean it with a brush and press the button multiple times to test rebound. If the button has no rebound, disassemble the device to check the cable contact after sales service. Do not disassemble without professional skills. 4. Battery aging or damage. Cause excessive charge-discharge cycles of the lithium battery lead to increased internal resistance, battery bulging, leakage, or internal short circuit. Solution: check if the device body is bulging. If yes, stop charging immediately and contact after-sales service to replace the battery. If there is no obvious bulging but the device still cannot turn on after charging, the battery is likely at the end of its life. Ask professionals to test and replace it with the same model. 5. Motor or mainboard failure. Cause motor coil burnout, bearing jamming, mainboard circuit, short circuit, fuse blowout, or firmware program crash. Solution: if there is no vibration or indicator light when turning on, and all the above causes are ruled out, it is basically determined that the motor or mainboard is faulty. Contact the brand after-sales service directly for repair or replacement of core components. 6. Abnormal firmware program. Cause firmware update interruption or program bugs cause the device to fail to start. Solution: refer to the product manual and reset the firmware according to the official guidelines. Some models support restoring factory settings by long pressing specific buttons. If manual reset is not possible, contact after-sales service to obtain firmware repair tools.